Hello everyone. My name is Yoshiko Williams. Today I like to show very basic lesson from Sogetsu Ikebana school, and then using a shallow container called suiban, and then using a kenzan, and then have a main three stems called shinsoe hikae. Three stems for the main. 1, 2, 3 different sizes. Okay. First, the main longest stem called shin. It's like this. And then placed on the kenzan. A little bit off center, not the straight, but a little bit tilted and go forward. This is the first, the main longest stem called shin, and the second main stem called soe. But three quarters of a main stem. Sogetsu school, we have a wonderful textbook, 1, 2 to show this basic, and 3, 4 intermediate, and 5 even 5 textbook 5 even after you finish this. So anyway, third main stem called hikae. So third one, front right, and a little bit lower. So it's open up. This one is a little higher, this one is a little bit lower. So you can see triangle shape, but not the even triangle, asymmetrical triangle. Then you cover the space. So this is you open up a Ikebana space. This is for the everything else per main is juicy subordinate plant. Supporting called juicy. Everything inside putting main is juicy. Okay. This is the third one. Okay, so mainly I'm making a triangle, and then also triangle with a flower. So triangle is a key number. And then this is kind of small, so I'm adding a little bit to support this flowers, kind of little bits. So all depends what kind of material you have. And then just to cover a little bit. Cover a little bit. Later on, I'm going to show some freestyle Ikebana. Once you study, you have a chance to do freestyle. Ikebana's school's motto is you can be created anytime, anywhere, by anyone in any part of world, and with any kind of material. Isn't it wonderful? It's a time like this. And then hope people can create something, whatever you have. And just enough to cover the kenzan. You don't need too much, because Ikebana, you enjoy that open space. And then just add a little bit like this. And then one juicy is in the back side to kind of give a little dimension like this. So this is a side view. It is also mainly that just the viewing from the front. So this is my first arrangement. Basic lesson when you study Sogetsu Ikebana. Okay. Hi, this time I like to show a freestyle arrangement using all kind of material I gathered from my house without going out. It's very hard to, difficult to get the material. But this is grown in my yard. Aloe plant, and then very hardy. Almost you don't need a water at all. Okay, 1, 2, and then this wonderful container made by Bruno Kark. Okay, isn't this striking? Then this is colloquial, and then very slow growing, and then also growing in my yard. Colloquial. And this also dry beautifully. This is a fresh, but then even dry, and you can use over and over. And some more. Also, looks very easy to handle. And then you know that you have any place you have a unique material, so I hope you can find the material your area, and then create something. This that when you study and then going to textbook 5, last lesson, and the last lesson of text 5 says what Ikebana can do, and then I like to show some of the feeling making my creation, and then next thing is, okay, I have bamboo strips. This is like almost like a 20 years old from Japan, but this person did a demonstration, and then demonstration here, and then she sent it from Japan. They last long time. Another one. Excuse me, I have to go a little bit forward because this one going to this way. Then just a touch of accent. Epidendrums, a little color. This is also hardy, like a orchid family. So you don't have to have a flower. Also, if you don't have a fresh material, some unconventional material be okay too. Then at last, I have a touch of yellow. Yellow, yellow. I call Crispedia. Crispedia. Kinda interesting line. Like I said, I hope everyone's doing okay. But if you're not, wish your best. Couple more. Couple more. Couple more. Doesn't stay. Stay. And then last one. So this is my second arrangement. Hope you enjoyed.